Today my next topic is variations. Question number 1, it is given that P is equal to 12 over under root Q. Here you notice that P is inversely proportional to 1 over under root Q. So describe the relationship between P and Q in words by completing the sentence. P is dash proportional to the square root of Q. Calculate Q when P is equal to 4. Very easy question. Thinking process may you see, okay, this is the inversely proportional. So here you are given that P is equal to 4. You have to calculate Q. So to find the value of Q, put this equation. P is equal to 12 over under root Q. Here P is equal to 4, just like this. P is equal to 4 given. Now you can interchange these two numbers. You can put under root Q here, you can put 4 here with the help of invertendo theorem. Now 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12, under root Q is equal to 3. Squaring both sides, you get Q is equal to 9. Here you have to square both sides. This is इसका square ले ले, 3 का square ले ले, it will give you a square or under root cancel and Q is equal to 9. So P is inversely proportional to the square root of Q. Here you write inversely proportional to the square root of Q. The next question, when an object is falling, the air resistance varies as the square of the speed. When an object is falling, the air resistance varies as the square of the speed. Now here R is directly proportional to V square, because R and V be the resistance, R is the resistance and V is the speed. And here it is given that varies as the square of the speed. It means that it is a directly proportional variation जो है वो directly proportional है. Proportionality का sign हटाएंगे, it is equal to R is equal to K V square. When R is equal to 30, put R is equal to 30 here. So you will get that K is equal to divide 30 on both sides, divide by, now K is equal to 30 over V square. ये V square को है divide by, here you write divide by V square. जब हम V square को इसको divide करेंगे तो K is equal to 30 over V square. Now in the second, Y is inversely proportional to X. Given that Y is equal to 6 and X is equal to 4, find the value of a constant K. Now in the second part, here it is saying at a certain speed the resistance is 30 Newton. What is the resistance at twice this speed? So you have to make V is equal to 2V, because here it is given that it is a twice of speed. तो इधर V square की जगह आपने जो है वो 2V पुट कर देना. It will be 4V square. V square will be cancelled by this and R is equal to 120 Newton. Now in the second part, given that Y is inversely proportional to X, Y is inversely proportional to 1 over X, and the values are given here. Y is equal to 6 when X is equal to 4. Put here sorry, Y is equal to 6 when X is equal to 4. Putting these values in this equation, cross multiplied, K is equal to 24. Now here he is saying that given that Y, you find the value of Y when X is equal to 3. So if you want to find the value of Y, use this equation. Put K is equal to 24 here, X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 8. This was my second question, very easy one. Again in question number 3, it is given that Y is directly proportional to the square of X and Y is equal to 1 when X is equal to 1 by 2. Find the formula for Y in terms of X. It carries 2 marks. The value of X when Y is equal to 9. You have to form a formula using the fact that Y is directly proportional to the square of X. Y is directly proportional to the square of X. प्रोपोर्शनलिटी का साइन हटाएंगे, वो इज इक्वल टू के एक्स स्क्वायर. Now here it is given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 by 2. So putting these values y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation, we will get this y is equal to 4x4. Now in the second part, the value of x when y is equal to 9. Putting y is equal to 9 in y is equal to 4x square, we have 9 is equal to 4x square, x square is equal to 9 by 4. अंडर रूट ले लें दोनों तरफ का, इट विल बी एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 3 टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बोथ साइड. तो स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो ये स्क्वायर रूट इट विल बी कैंसल बाय दिस, और इसका जब स्क्वायर रूट मैं लूँगा तो इट विल बी प्लस माइनस 3/2. तो 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 पर, इट विल गिव यू प्लस माइनस 1.5. सो यू हैव टू वैल्यूज, एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1.5 एंड एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1.5. तो कि वीडियो की लेंथ जो है वो इंक्रीज ना हो जाए, आई विल स्टार्ट द माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो.